Hi everyone, Gil here at Graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about a specific tool for a specific skill that you may not be using right now, but something you might want to learn for the future. All right. So before I jump into what exactly that tool is, I want to remind everybody, please hit the thumbs up. Share the video out on your social media. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe down below and click the notification bell so you get all notifications whenever I post a video. Alrighty, so what is this tool I'm talking about? I'm talking about skinning knives. Now, to skin an animal. And some of you are going to go, oh, can you talk about that on YouTube? Well, I'm just saying, get the tool. Get the books, read. There are some videos out there you can watch. Most of them probably have disappeared off of YouTube, so you have to look for them elsewhere. But why would you need this? Okay, let's get this straight here. If the poop hits the fan, and it is now Milwaukee, the end of the world as we know it, and you need to get food from somewhere, and the grocery stores are no longer providing these packages of meat, you have to get it yourself, which means you're going to have to learn to hunt. And once you have it, you need to learn how to properly take care of the meat. Start by skinning it and processing it. So you're going to need there are special knives. You can try doing it with a regular knife, like one of these. But wait a minute, it's got a sharp point on it. Not good for skinning. Here's a boning knife. You will need this later on for doing it. But skinning knives have more of a round blade, so you cut the skin, the hide from the animal, from the flesh. So they come in different sizes. They come in different curvatures as well. You got to figure out which one works best for you. If you have friends that do it, go to them, ask them to be there the next time they do it so you can learn a little bit about it and see which type of knife is going to work best for you. But getting a skinning knife or two or three is a good thing to have, just in case things go south in a big way. Because you don't want to accidentally puncture the wrong organ, such as the bladder, and have urine go all over the meat and ruin it. So, yeah, think about adding that to your preps, to your tools of survival. Alrighty. Okay. Now that I got you thinking a little bit about that, I've mentioned this before. Learn how to use these tools. Practice it, because it's a skill. Once you learn it, you need to keep practicing. Otherwise, you forget how to do it. Which means, well, I'm not sure I want to do that. Well, hey, raising rabbits is the way to do it. Every now and then, you can do a rabbit up and practice those skills. So when it comes time to do a deer or an elk or a moose or whatever it is you happen to be lucky enough to get to add to your larder, you'll be able to do it right. Okay? So, if you have anybody that's interested in becoming prepping, please share my channel out with them. Send them over to look at the Prepping for Beginners playlist, and I'll put that link up around here. I'm going to put Camp Pet and Family Compound here. I'll put Prepping for Beginners up here, and Prepping in Private down here. That way you can help them get ready so they don't come and sit on your door wanting to take your food from your family. All right? Take care, and I'll see you around.